Hello guys, this is Lean Tech Studio, and for today's video, we're going to have a hands-on on the new iOS 14 beta version. This time, Apple had made significant changes, so in this video, we're going to show you, for us, the top 12 features in the new iOS 14. To get started, let's get to the first in line, widgets on the home screen. Widgets has been around for many years already, from Windows to Android. I'm not saying they copied it, but they brought it to a whole new level. Widgets can be moved onto any of your home screens, spread among your apps. To add new widget, just long press any space in your screen. Notice the plus button at the upper left of your screen. After selecting your desired app, just press the Add Widget button to add it in your home screen. Now, moving to the second feature, the Smart Stack. Smart Stack is an intelligent widget. Inside are the apps you use most, and it will show up automatically at the right time in your day. By dragging a widget to another makes it stack over each other. You can simply swipe over the widget to go to the next one. You can even drag or arrange these widgets to any location in your screen. The App Library. You can check the app library on the rightmost slide of your screen. Basically, these are the collections of your apps. By pressing the search, you can have an access to all your apps in alphabetical order. There are so many ways you can access an app. One way is through the app library. You can directly tap on the icon and it will open immediately. Compact calls is one of the features I like the most. Well, this was intended for multitasking. Before, if you try to make a call, it's consuming all the screen area. But with compact calls, now you can do multitasking while you're on call. And this is a great update. Next, what we have here is Picture-in-Picture. This feature is also for multitasking, although I've seen this one like the YouTube floater on web or even Facebook during video calls. It's a good thing they added this on iOS 14. I've tried playing a video using Safari because using YouTube app it's not working. But in the future, hopefully, they will support this feature. In conversation. By pressing the conversation in your messages, it will give you an option to pin your conversation. You can pin up to 9 of your most important conversations to the top of your conversation list so you can easily get to them. What we have here is another feature from Messages, the new Memoji. Along with new Memoji style, stickers options, and face coverings, new hair and headwear styles are also available. Now, we're down to 5 and let's go to Maps. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of iOS maps, but in these updates, it is very useful, especially for cyclists, as new cycling directions has been added. You can now use maps to get cycling directions using bike lanes, paths, and roads. You can also see elevation, busy streets, stairs, and steep passages when planning your trip. Other new feature they added was Translate. As this technology has been existing already, like in Google Translate, it is still a good thing they added this as their default app in the upcoming update. Next, let's talk about Siri. This feature has been existing already since iOS 5 8 years ago. Hey Siri. It has now become a little orb at the bottom of your screen. Before iOS 14, when you access Siri, you can no longer open any other apps in which it restricts you for multitasking. Luckily, with this update, you can now do multitasking while you are communicating with Siri. Home app. For those who do not know, your iPhone has a built-in app for smart automation services. The Home app helps you manage your smart home more intelligently and more securely. With this app, you can have access to your home status, activity zones, and face recognition. Last but not least is the double and triple tap feature at the back of your phone. In this gesture, you can add corresponding action like lock screen or accessing your control center, and many more. This is almost the same with Android 11 developer preview feature, codenamed Columbus. In general, iOS 14 update brought us a huge change on how we access our app and provides us the ability to do multitasking. As a company known for having a trademark for their privacy feature, in iOS 14, you will know whenever an app is accessing your microphone or camera. There's a new indicator that's shown above the signal meter. A green dot indicates an app is accessing your camera, while the orange dot tells you when an app is currently accessing your microphone. Alright guys, that was the top 12 plus 1 feature from iOS 14. Hope you learned something new, and please don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe for more upcoming videos.